All right, as the Patriots are well aware, whenever you hang a United States flag, you always hang it up with this blue field right here in the corner. All right, you always got to hang that up like that to where this is in this corner up here. All right, and that so that the alternating red and white stripes flow down. All right, that's because this right here represents heaven. See that? These stars in the sky. That represents the heavens. Okay, these alternating red and white stripes represent fire coming down from heaven. All right, so you ask, why does the United States flag represent fire coming down from heaven? All right, well, you guys have to remember the whole scenario here, because there's something happening. They're aware of it, being aware of it, and ain't too inclined to let you know about it. But fortunately, y'all got this presentation. All right. Now, what's gonna happen is that on the day that the moon and the planet Venus eclipse the sun, all right, the combined gravitational pull. See, that's ultimately because in the summer of 2012, we're probably gonna be at about 7 degrees. All right, we're gonna be teetering. But when that alignment takes place, it's going to pull the earth, bam, to where we stand straight up. And on the day that the earth stands still, that's the day that the earth stops generating a magnetic field. And if we're not generating a magnetic field, then there's nothing to stop that fire from coming down to the earth in the sight of man and burning up everybody and anybody that's on the surface of the earth on that day. Now, since everything in space happens in cycles, in predictable cycles, and everything happens over and over again, I don't care how bad you are, how mean you are, how many nuclear weapons you got, how much you doubt me, ain't nothing gonna take away from or add to the cosmological order. You're not gonna stop this planet from rotating once on its axis once every 24 hours. You're not going to stop the moon from doing its thing every 28 days. You ain't going to stop the earth from going around in that 365-day cycles. You're not going to stop that. You're not going to stop the planet Venus from eclipsing. All right? So there's nothing that you can do to change that. That's what happens. The only thing you could do is be prepared for it. And if you're not prepared for it, that means you're one of the dumb monkeys that was at the club when this presentation was being given. All right? Or you just didn't believe it. Or you chose not to believe it. Either way it go, when the earth stands still, it always stands still in the same spot. All right? That's why the United States is referred to as the phoenix. The phoenix is a bird that's burned, and then it rises again from the ashes, and then it gets burned again, and it rises again. It's a perpetual cycle. All right, this ain't the first time it done happened. It ain't the last time it happened. All right.